So you'll notice it connects between the liver and the duodenum, basically. And what was your other question?
Hepatic.
Gastric.
Gastric
Vein or
vein.
gastric artery? Or
Both.
both? Okay.
said that
They're
I
not
couldn't
very
see.
nicely colored in this specimen. So they basically run together. So here's a little bit of red you can see. This would be the gastric artery. So all of these are branches of the gastric artery, and the blue is the gastric vein. So you can see, which one?
Cephalic.
Celiac.
Celiac.
Celiac
Okay.
is on the aorta.
Celiac artery branches from the aorta, goes
Other
to the
side.
stomach. So this one with the organ still in, it's a little hard to see. This should be it.
What is that?
So this should be the celiac.
Yeah.
Is that called the celiac
Or
trunk?
maybe it's this one. We have to follow whether it goes to the stomach or not. So
It is on the side.
yeah, it should be this one. Yeah, it should be this one. So this should be the celiac artery.
And what's the one?
Further down,
Dorsal aorta.
this one.
So that's a
Descending?
branching?
This
Yeah.
is all the dorsal aorta, yeah.
It's a
So the
branch.
dorsal aorta runs along the body wall all the way up and down on the dorsal surface. Now,
Do we need to know mesenteries?
yes, you do. So anyway, let me tell you this. So this should be the anterior mesenteric artery, which goes to the intestine. And then you have the posterior
You can barely
mesenteric.
see because of the colon's right here.
Right, and
You
then
can see it here, look.
right. So that's a stub of the posterior mesenteric, and then you also have the renal artery and vein. So here's the renal vein, very obvious. Renal arteries, the red here goes to the kidney, and there's the gonadal artery and vein. It should be here,
No.
or there's a lumbar.
No, it's right here.
Okay,
Right there, because that's the ovary.
right. Okay, so this is the ovary. So the gonadal artery and vein. Right. So the blue is the vein, the red is the artery.
Do we have to know the gastroduodenal vein and gastrosplenic?
No, we don't need to know.
And what
We
about
didn't
the
go over
hepatic
that.
portal system?
Yes,
We
you
only
do
need to know the hepatic portal vein, and that's it.
Yeah, hepatic portal vein.
Is there a
Which is
difference
yellow.
between that and the hepatic portal system?
No, it's essentially
The same?
They're all connected to the hepatic.
What's the hepatic
Okay.
vein? Or an
Hepatic
artery?
vein? Okay, hepatic vein.
It's in the liver.
It goes into the liver.
Okay, so you
It's
can't
hard to
see it.
see. Yeah, it's
Making sure.
right. It comes off the vena cava and it goes into the liver.
And which mesentery is it?
Mesenteries. Okay, good question.
You need a.
So this is the
Greater
greater omentum, which goes to the on the greater curvature of the stomach. You have the lesser omentum on the lesser curvature of the stomach here inside. This is the lesser omentum
Oh, what are the greater omentum once again?
on the outside curve of the stomach.
Okay.
Yeah, it's you can't really see it. This is a little remnant of it. So this would be greater omentum. This would be lesser omentum, connecting the stomach with the liver and duodenum. Now you also have the mesentery proper, which you can see some remnants of it here. This is mesentery proper. Connects, yeah, the jejunum. So it's in the jejunum. And then you have the mesocolon. Yes, attaches to the colon.
There's a colon right there.
Right. It's probably mostly removed in this
Yeah.
one. But in an intact specimen, like here, you can see a little bit of it left. So this would be the
Do you
mesocolon.
need to know that this is the rotundus, whatever?
Um,
When it divides? From the
you should know,
ileum?
yeah, study the parts in detail, although we didn't really talk about that so much.
That's what I was
Do we need to know Mrs. Helpings?
The which one?
Mrs.